Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mixie Casanova and you're watching Casanova Fam. And today is Thursday, which we talk about hair. Well, today we are actually doing an unboxing and it's for the Naki products. I don't know if anybody heard about it. I found out about Naki products on Instagram and then I followed some videos on YouTube and her products looked good. The girls who she was working on here looked good. So I said, you know what? I'm desperately looking for something for my dry locks because, you know, all the moisturizing stuff that I've shown you guys did not actually be, end up being it for me. Because after I dyed my hair, it just got worse, as you guys know. My hair right now needs a retaining, so don't mind, but, they are dry. And so I'm definitely looking for something to help that. Anyhow, so I went ahead and ordered Naki on April 8th, 2020. I ended up spending $125.19 Canadian to get this product here. Not the best thing. I'll put her Instagram down at the bottom and stuff. Now, it took over a month to get to me. However, when I inquired, she did say, my condolences. She said that her grandson actually passed. So I'm not going to hold the shipping delay or how long it took to get here against her because I don't know the circumstances behind everything and what occurred. And, you know, when someone passes, I'm sure the last thing on your mind is shipping products to people. So it came in a box like this. Now I'm a little worried, and the reason why I ran to do this video, because I usually would do this video when everyone's sleeping and stuff, but I ran to do this video because I see all of this on the box, and I just am hoping that it's nothing that spilled. So it says here that I ordered hair oil, edge control, and the shampoo kit. And so that came up to, they were 12, 12, 12, and 30. It's saying in total it was 66 US. Like I said, I spent 125.19 Canadian. Not happy. I actually went to try and order another hair product. I can't remember. And it was actually cheaper. Okay. So I just opened it up. This is what you see. Automatically, I smell peppermint. That's the first thing I smell.
Can I smell it? Me too.
Okay. So first, let's see the receipt. What does she say? Oh, I'm afraid there might be leakage. Okay, so the first thing, my name, my number, placed on April 8th at 1 p.m. Shampoo kit was $30. The Naki Moisture Control was $12. Then we got the Lavender Hair Moisture, which is $12. And the Peppermint Sculpt Stimulation, which was another $12. So it came up to $66, $20 for shipping, and then $86 in total. It says here, there's a sticker on it, and it says, due to COVID-19, product container may be different than advertised or labeled. We have given you more product for this inconvenience, Naki. Okay, so let's see. So a nice little bag to keep your stuff in. Ooh, yeah, something's leaking. Oh no, something's leaking. Uh-oh. Something's leaking. For sure. I like the bag. I like the bag. It keeps all your stuff compact, all in one. Perfect. But there is definitely leakage going on there. I just have to figure out what it is. And outside of the bag is your Naki moisturizing edge tamer. Now, she is a woman with locks. Oh, what is the smell? Oh, I know the smell. I know the smell. I can't tell you. So anyways, it's a nice clear gel, which is something you want. It's thick, so it definitely feels like an edge control. Not too sticky, but just right. Let me see something. Okay. 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 I'm feeling it. Oh, okay. A little goes a long way. A little goes a long way. Okay, my girl. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad. I can't tell you guys how it will be. I will do a review on her products. But right now, it says essentials for healthy hair. I like it. I like it. I like that. I like that. Let's see how long it lasts. Whatever. I'll do a review. This is just the unboxing. Okay, so now, like I said, there is some leakage going on here. Like, even when I feel it, it's... I don't know. But anyways, let's go through the products. She gave us more products for our money, right? That's what she said. Okay, so we got the Lavender Hair Moisture here. The Lavender Hair Moisture. Not bad. It's a nice applicator tip. Looks like it'll come out smoothly. Yeah. There you go. So I could definitely, okay, like get some moisture on my locks. After I wash it, of course. I'm not going to do this. Okay, so definitely, it's definitely lavender, but no, there's another smell here. Oh, it's a candy smell. Oh, I wish I could tell you guys. I have to figure it out. So Lavender Hair Moisture, it says directions. Apply twice a week to damp hair. Adds moisture, controls frizz, helps hair. I can't talk, sorry. Adds moisture, control frizz, and keeps hair healthy and shiny. Ingredients are almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, and vitamin E oil, along with, of course, lavender essential oil. And this is 4 ounces. I like the smell. I love lavender, by the way. Surprise me with something. I love lavender. Actually, I'm currently in the market looking for a lavender plant because I decided I wanted lavender in my house. And because I have parrots, lavender is safe for them. So it works. So, okay, so that was all for my lavender. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm going to finish this so soon. Hopefully a little goes a long way. Okay, next we got the Peppermint Sculpt Stimulator. I honestly don't know why I bought this, guys, but I don't know. We'll see what it does. It says Peppermint Sculpt Stimulator, and it says it's a moisturizing oil that stimulates growth and circulation on the scalp, which I guess you can't go wrong with, so I guess that's why I got it. I didn't put a lot, so sorry. Anyways, the ingredients are grapeseed oil, sunflower seed oil, castor oil, glycerin, peppermint essential oil. And directions are applied to a damp scalp 2 to 3 times a week. You guys, quiet please. Apply to a damp scalp 2 to 3 times a week. So how often am I going to have to wet my hair? Yeah, no, but 2-3 times a week. Apply twice a week. So this is twice a week. This is 2-3 times a week. So I smell the peppermint, but it's not strong peppermint. So we'll see how it smells once it's in my hair. So that was the Sculpt Stimulator. Smell that. Okay, now let's move on. Oh, yeah, so she did give me more. So this is the Lavender Hair Moisture, but she also gave me the Lavender Hair Moisture. Ooh, but they're also different colors.
Fuzzy peaches.
Fuzzy peaches?
There's one of those.
I don't think it's fuzzy peaches. It's something. It's a candy, but I don't know what it is. Anyways,
Or air freshener.
it's okay. So here is the Lavender Hair Moisture. Now the color is different. Tell me, is it different because there's more in the bottle? More in the bottle, so it's less? I don't think so. So why is the color different? They both say Lavender Hair Moisture. However, the interesting thing about this 1 ounce, and I'm going to tell you, is the ingredient says almond oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, but then it jumps into lavender oil. It does not mention the vitamin E oil, whereas in this one does. I might have to look that up, see if there's a difference between the two. I don't know. Okay, let's move on. We got, okay, I think to make up for how long it took, she just gave me products that I didn't order. That's what I'm looking at right now because I got rose water. And I know I didn't order rose water. So here's rose water. Rose water, Naki rose water. And it says mist on hair and scalp is needed, which rose water is good for your moisture. Distilled water, roses, vitamin E, glycerin, preservative. It doesn't say what kind of preservative. It says preservative. I don't know. And rose essential oil. It says it hydrates and soothes scalp, helps maintain pH of hair, and rejuvenates your follicles. I didn't order it, but I will definitely use it. And I like how pink it is. Because, you know, if you guys really look at the other rose water that you buy at the store, it's not that pink. So I am actually really excited to try this. And I'm actually happy. Let me. Yeah, very light, very light, very light. Okay, well, there you go, rose water. So, guys, I'm in, like, heaven now. Like, I didn't even buy all this stuff, and I got all this stuff. Woo! Okay, so Don't expect this when you get for order though, if she's not behind. I think she only did this for me because of the situation. So I got 2 conditioners here. Don't know if the different lids mean anything. I don't think so. I think it's just the container she has. As you can see, the conditioner. Oh, wait. This one's kind of thick. Okay, well, these conditioners are kind of thick. I'm really not one for creamy things. But, okay, so it is creamy. Let me just show you guys. So as you can see, it's a creamy thing, but look at this. It's creamy, but it's like a coconut oil. Like you rub it, and look at that. It's clear. Actually, it's clear. I felt smell. Is it castor oil I'm smelling? Olive oil. That smells like olive oil. But as you can see, look at that on my finger. Gone. Like I didn't even do it. So that's good. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Especially for my locks, I like that. So this is conditioner. And it says extra moisturizing. I interrupted my reading. Extra moisturizing conditioner that repairs dry, damaged, or over-processed hair. It's me. Okay. Ingredients are ivory, shea butter, olive oil, and essential oils. So I don't know what kind of essential oils, but anyways. Apply a small amount to scalp and hair. Leave on 3 minutes and then rinse well with cool water. Okay, I'm down. I'm down. You know it. Hey. Okay, so I'm good. Okay, so we got that. And of course, remember I did get shampoo. So my bag's empty, guys. Oh, I didn't even realize it says Naki on it. Did you guys realize that? I'm so lost. Anyway, so it says Naki on it. I'm going to wipe this bag down so it's nice and clear. And I'm going to keep my Naki products in there. So before I go on to the shampoo, let me just pack away my products. Hopefully this does me well. Hopefully this does me well. And I get a new, I don't know, $125 a pop is still a lot of money. But we'll see. You know, if it's a little goes a long way, it might last me a while. So that'll be great. I was just washing my hair like once every 2 weeks. I think I'm going to try washing it every week and see if I can get some moisture back going. Maybe that's my problem. So here's the shampoo anyways. This is a black shampoo. And you can see it's very watery. Very watery. Typical. It says it's distilled water, African black soap, Castile soap, glycerin, sweet almond oil, xanthan gum. I can't even say that. Xanthan gum. Anyways, an essential oil. Effectively cleanses your scalp, increases growth, aids in itchy scalp reduction. Effectively cleanses your scalp, increases growth, aids in itchy scalp reduction. Shake well, apply to wet hair and lather. Rinse well. So this is what it looks like when you shake it. Let's smell it. Again, you know, I'm guessing because my hands are probably covered with so many different oils now. Oh, so I just put it on my finger and I can feel it soaping up. So I'm assuming this will lather. Because if you look at the side of my finger, can you see that little white stuff? Here, let me use a different finger. Oh God, all my fingers have oil on them. Okay, let's try. So here we go, that's it. And now I'm gonna lather. And I can feel it getting thicker on my finger. And if you look there, you can see that, right? So this looks like it's gonna lather up pretty well. It's gonna lather up pretty well. So I'm excited to see what happens with that. And the conditioner, did I smell the conditioner? I don't remember. Let me smell it, hold on. Again, I don't know. Anyways, I'm really excited to try the Naki hair products, guys, because I am dying for moisture. Don't mind me, my dye is leaving me. I've had this dye in its Adore, and I had it in form since January, and finally it's leaving me. Thank God. I'm ready to re-dye my hair because my hair, it was like a burgundy, and now you can see it's like this orangish pink because it's trying to get back to the bleach color. But anyways, as you can see, my hair is dry. Well, actually, my hair kind of doesn't look that dry, does it? Anyways, it's dry. Trust me, it's dry. So, this is why I went on the hunt for moisturizing products that will definitely let my locks be beautiful, because I'm about to hit 3 years and I'm not trying to hit 3 years with dry locks. Sorry. Anyhow, whatever. Anyhow, I hope you guys liked my review of the Naki hair products. I am really excited to try her products. Look for my review, my unboxing of the Naki hair products. Look for my review coming soon to you. Okay, no, honestly. Look for my review. I am definitely going to have that done for you guys. I'm going to actually go wash my hair right now. I am going to go wash my hair right now and see how I like it. And then I'm going to wash it for the whole entire month once a week and see how I like it and see how my hair feels after. Because if you listen, you hear that dryness? Okay. So anyways, that's what I'm going to do. And I'll let you guys know in a month my review on it. I will definitely give you guys a review in a month. All right. I hope you guys liked this unboxing. If you have any questions, please definitely don't hesitate to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up to date with whatever moisturizing routine I am now adding on. And also so you don't miss the review on the Naki hair products. You can definitely find her on YouTube. I can't remember her name off of the top of my head. I will put it in the description box below, and I also put her Instagram in the description box below. Look out for that. Thank you so much for watching.